Where is she?
Eyelashes.
Where is she?
You have eyelashes.
Where is she? Where is she?
Where'd she go?
I don't know.
She's trying to catch her breath. She's in disbelief.
This thing's adorable.
Oh,
How are we getting the cars home?
Have to get one tomorrow. Look at the front.
She has eyelashes.
That is too cute. I love that face right there.
Yeah, Mama, my real question is how are we getting these home? We have 3 cars out here.
I'll drive it. I won't say
No,
it
how
again
much
to your
we have
house.
our
I'll
van?
drive it.
She can't drive stick yet, so he's gonna have to drive.
I want to learn how to drive this. She doesn't pull it off.